HR has a very important role to play in the mentorship process. Because like any other initiative, the success and failures, it is the credibility of HR which is at stake. So HR shoulders a lot of responsibility. And I've been in HR for so many years, so this is very, very dear to me. So I need to tell my HR community 5 main things that they should take care of when they're launching the mentorship process in their organization. 1, do not sell the process to your organization. The moment you sell the process, it is a push. Instead, check the value this process will bring in your organization. Now, if you see, and there are different values it can bring in. However, if it's a rare chance and if you see that it does not bring any value in your organization, do not launch it. And this is a rare incidence. So do not sell. However, show value. Measure the value and show value. Second, you are not the owner of the process. You are a facilitator. Yes, you're bringing in that initiative. You're accountable, but you're accountable as a facilitator, which essentially means you are accountable to check that it runs seamlessly in the organization. That is, the communication of that process happens throughout the organization. Timely and right communication. And then you also measure the process. So you are a facilitator, not an owner. As an owner, you start to own the process failure becomes your own failure. No, you're just a facilitator. And everybody in the process has their accountability. Third, predefine the objective that you want to achieve from the mentorship process and communicate that objective to all the people involved. Get their feedback before you all launch the process. Fourth, once you've actually predefined the objective of the mentorship process, you need to measure the result of the mentorship process. Now, for example, if the objective was employee retention or the objective was increase in employee productivity, these can be measured in numbers. Your objective could also be strengthening the leadership team. Now you may say, how do you measure that? Well, you need to identify tools which will measure the pre and post of the process. Fifth, train the mentors, train the mentees before starting the process. So mentors, mentees, sponsors, all should know what their role is. Now there is something very unique in this mentorship process. While they should know what their role is, the mentor specifically should also know what their role is not, so that they don't overstep. Yeah. So these are the main 5 things that yes, you should follow, and rest all will fall in place.